Hi everyone, I'm from the team at Fair Deal Homebuyers. It's April 2026, and here in Wisconsin, the frost is finally leaving the ground. But for many homeowners, the spring thaw brings a major headache: septic failure. Today, we're talking about the real costs of septic repairs and how you can sell your home without fixing a single pipe. Let's look at the data. Recent 2026 data shows that even minor septic repairs are averaging $1,800, while full replacements, especially for mound systems, are frequently exceeding $15,000. In a traditional sale, a failed septic inspection can kill a deal instantly. Banks won't lend on it, and buyers get scared off by the liability. It becomes a massive liability that most traditional buyers just won't touch. And then there's the time. Waiting for permits and contractors can take months. This is especially true here in Wisconsin, where seasonal windows for work are tight. Good contractors are often booked out for the entire season. Don't forget the hidden costs like soil testing and restoring your landscaping. The stress of managing a construction project while trying to sell is immense. When you add it all up, fixing it yourself might not be the best investment, but there is another way. This is where we come in. We specialize in difficult properties. When we say we buy as is, we mean it. We don't ask you to dig up the yard or negotiate credits for repairs. We give you a fair cash offer based on the current reality of the home. We've been doing this for over a decade right here in Milwaukee and Mequon, and we pride ourselves on transparency. You won't pay commissions or hidden fees when you work with us. Our process is simple. First, you reach out to us for a consultation. Next, we do a quick walkthrough of the property to understand its condition. Finally, we provide a no-obligation cash offer within 24 hours. We can close on your schedule, usually in as little as 7 days. We take care of the septic problem so you can move on with your life. If you're feeling overwhelmed by a maintenance snowball, give us a call. Give us a call at 414-409-8251. We're your local experts, and we're here to make selling easy, so you can start fresh. Thanks for watching. Visit us at fairdealhomebuyers.com. We look forward to helping you.